character blueprint. Okay, that's just okay. So let's go to this one. Let's go to viewport. Let's go to the mesh. Change it to jack. Okay, there we go. Hair's still compiling, boy. Alright, so let's start here. Oh, there he is. But you'll see what happens here when it goes to sit down. Q. See, it goes back to the mannequin because that's what's saved in the sequencer. In the sit down sequence. And that's why I wanted him to use the animations that were created without retargeting, because I want to be able to just add his mesh to the sequence. Okay, I load get the microphone over here. I loaded up Jack. I was going to mess with the hair, and actually scrolling in, it's a level of detail that is causing him to look so mangy. So I'm just trying to find the hair texture here. And it probably, I wonder how many textures it created for each no, it looks like it didn't make a different texture for each material. No, okay, good. Well, that's one less thing to worry about deleting. Well, I'm not going to worry about it right now. So it looks like it's gonna, I think these are one of those maps that have a bunch of information on different layers. Boy. So there's the, so it's just using, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna cheat real quick here. Let's save it. Put him up there, here. I forgot to turn on import morphs. I had it unchecked. So I'm going to have to re-import it. Unfortunately, I just went through and changed them in all the sequences, and his mesh is now used. So I'm going to have to re-import it and then do a delete and then insert the new one coming in. So let me go into character creator here, and let me mess around with, let me put some poses on them, mess around with the skin weights, and then yeah, so it's just, you know, just a baggy shirt. It doesn't look all that bad here, but when the arms are down, and really that needs to be pushed in. So I'm gonna mess with that, and then I'll learn a little bit more about the animations.